Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you guys what a normal weekday looks like in my home after the kids have gone to school and Brennan is gone off to work. I'm pretty much just taking you along throughout the day, just showing you guys what I'm doing as far as cleaning. So you'll get some cleaning motivation in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. Starting off in the kitchen, I'm just cleaning up the aftermath from breakfast, and I decided to go ahead and wipe the countertops down because I'm noticing a lot of crumbs hidden behind my appliances. So I'm going to clear the countertop. That's just old silverware that I'm going to store in the corner because I'm not sure if I want to get rid of it just yet. I'm using the Lysol Kitchen Pro antibacterial spray on my countertops today. When I use this, I like to spray it and let it sit for just a couple minutes before I wipe it down. You're going to see me use this a lot today. I've been using it all over my kitchen just because it is antibacterial. I use it when I clean out the fridge, which I am going to be doing today. I've also been using this to sanitize my sink. moving on to the fridge. It's been a while since I wiped down the shelves and also the outside of the fridge. I'm starting to see fingerprints, so I'm gonna wipe the outside down too. Also gonna throw out any food that's been in there for more than 3 or 4 days. The biggest difference here as far as cooking, I don't cook as much as I used to back in the States. I usually would cook almost every single day back home, but here it's a little bit different. It's so much cheaper to get cook to order meals delivered to your house. I'm talking fresh, a lot of times organic food delivered to your house, or going out to eat every night or every other night. It's just a normal thing here. I have started to cook from time to time because I miss it. I love to cook, but like I said, it is so much cheaper to go to a restaurant and sit down and have a fresh meal made for you. If you know anything about Thai food, they use a lot of fresh produce in their cooking. When I say go out to eat, I'm not talking fast food. I'm talking restaurants where you can pay $1 to $2 a plate for dinner. So like I said, we just can get those same meals delivered to our house if we wanted to, which we do a lot. So my fridge organization is not the same as it normally would be back in the States, because I don't go and do big grocery hauls every 1 or 2 weeks anymore like I would normally do. Here, I just would get things that I need the day of if I'm cooking, or just restock things we like to keep in the fridge, like fresh fruit, eggs, milk, butter, and then we do keep some fresh veggies in there for ramen. We also don't keep a fully stocked pantry like we did before. We have a lot of Asian snacks and then a lot of Asian oils and sauces. I actually just ordered some bins from IKEA, so when those come in and when I organize my pantry, I will show you guys.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
The fridge is nice and clean and organized and ready to be packed with more fruit because we are super low. Now I'm going to move on to the window in the dining area, and I'm using this e-cloth that I ordered from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. The other one is a little bit different than this one, but this is so good because you don't have to use any window spray if you don't want to. I just wipe it down and it really just gets rid of your everyday like fingerprints. Now, if you have some other stuff up there and you want to use a spray, you definitely can. I just used a spray and then wiped it down with this cloth, and then I used the other cloth to dry it off, and your window and mirror will be crystal clear. So I usually wash bedding once a week to include the kids' bedding. The kids, I usually do theirs on a different day than mine. Usually everybody's sheets are washed once a week, and today I'm going to be doing mine. Now, when it comes to my sheets, I go heavy on the scent beads. I love the smell of fresh sheets, and it's even better when the detergent smells really good. So I'm going to be using my laundry sauce. You guys remember I did a video with them a few weeks back. Love this detergent. I definitely am going to be so sad when it runs out, so I need to start another order. I washed a load of clothes yesterday, and those are either hanging to dry, which I need to put away, and then these that were in the dryer. I threw some white towels in the wash machine earlier that I didn't record, so I threw those in the dryer after I took these out, and then I threw my sheets in the wash machine. You guys will see me fold those towels in a second. I washed a few dishes earlier, so I need to sanitize the sink, and I'm just putting out a fresh towel under my dish rack, and then I'm gonna let the spray sit in the sink while I fold some towels. I wash my duvet cover separately, so I am going to throw that in the washing machine. Now that the sheets are done, I'm going to fold these towels, throw the sheets in the dryer, and then throw the duvet in the washing machine. Blake gets home first after school, so he is having his favorite after school snack, which is avocado toast with tomatoes, of course a squeeze of lemon and salt and pepper. He wanted me to show you guys. The last thing I'm going to be doing is putting my bedding back together, putting my sheets on the bed and my duvet, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.